that, guys. Got the Union Jack lights in stock now, so they're available. So we thought we'll show you a quick fitting video. We put one in there so we could just test it was going to go all right, and then obviously we're going to move around onto this one here. So that's what you start with basically. I'll turn the ignition off because we don't want it live. So basically, you're moving lights around. All you do, get yourself a little trim tool in at the sides, unclick the clip. Bits on there, and you'll find that one, and it just clipped out like that. See these little tabs all the way around. All there is, dead simple, torque, screwdriver, 3 screws there. Right, so you got your 3 screws out here. You can see it's quite floppy. There's a little clip underneath there. So on your access panel on the back there, all you've got to do is go in and under there and just lift the light up. So basically you'll see here, little clip there. That comes out. So it's dead simple. All it is this here for some reason gets caught on that back there, so you just have to push it up. So little tab on the side there, we just remove that. Like I say, this will be dead easy now. We'll just whack the light back in, but I'm going to clean this because we're with the new lights in, so we're just going to clean that out there. Right, so like I say, we just give that a bit of a clean there. So standard plug on there. You can see the lights there, they are in all the glory, really well made, all the plastic's really robust, nicely made, nicely connectors and everything, and obviously they're lovely. So we'll put that in, just click and clack there, goes in a certain way, make sure that's locked down, and all you're going to do is rest it in there. So you can hold that up so you can see your 3 screw holes. Plug in, 3 screws back in, just tighten that up. And then obviously, you know, with the light surrounds, get it, line it up nicely like that. Basically give it a click back in, and that's it, all finished. As you can see, we'll go through a sequence now and show you how the indicators light up, and obviously the red parts there. You can buy these on our website, they are in stock at the moment. So if you want them, go to www